Hi, this is Ricky from preschoolspeechyplus.com, and I created this book companion for Wolf's Chicken Stew. It's a really cute story. It's an oldie but goodie. I've been using this story for many years, and this companion has 41 pages, story sequencing, following directions, lots of position and size concept slides, and you can also focus on speech sounds, especially SH and CH. It's a great book for 100th day. It's written by Kiko Kaza. All right, let's get started. This is a very interactive PowerPoint. A lot of the pieces move. Here, what should Wolf eat for breakfast? And the cereal moves right to the table. There's thought bubbles throughout this story. And these pieces all move too, just in case you want to work on some position concepts in these slides. There's object descriptions, and they have to guess what the food is. Here they have to follow instructions and put the pancakes in front of the house. Okay, here Wolf is ready to get the chicken. All right, so he goes to Chicken's house and he looks in the window. And suddenly the chicken opens the door and thanks the wolf. And the wolf's personality completely changes. And he then thinks about what is he going to make for the chicks the next day. There's a sequence story. Here are the answers and lots of position concept pieces. So, and you have to follow the direction as well. So, wolf wants to stand in front of the tree. So you put the wolf in front of the tree. And then if a child's learning to read, you can also put the words in front. There's in front, in back, on top, in between. Here's a counting page where you put the circle on the number. Okay. Here's another following direction. It's like a one-step direction with 3 elements, so they have to put the chicks in order on the wolf. So on the wolf's head, on his tail, on his foot. So there's a few different slides with multi-step directions. There's comparison slides. There's and est. And here is temporal directions. So the chicks go on the donut. So in row 1, so it's also teaching rows. So you'll see there's like several different concepts that are on this PowerPoint. So in row 1, they have to find dark chocolate and then cherry. Okay. And there's several slides for following directions. And then the last slide is, what are your favorite desserts? And they get to put circles on the desserts that they enjoy eating. I hope you enjoyed this video.